to a new vlog. I'm just traipsing down the stairs. We just got done doing a little bit of Black Friday shopping. So I figured I would show you everything we picked up so far. I did order a couple things online as well that I'll show you later. But this is everything we picked up so far. We went to the mall first. Zane got this pair of shoes that he already wore today. These like sneaker Vans. They're pretty cool. Like they look like typical Vans, but they're like a more of a running shoe type sneaker. He got some socks. Then I got these, the like super platform classic Vans. They're not laced up right now or anything, but been wanting these for a while. So I grabbed a pair of those. Then I went to H&M and got a couple of sweaters. Love Zane help me hold the camera while I show these.
The black sweater.
Yeah, I just got like a basic black sweater situation.
They're soft.
Same one in gray. It's the exact same thing. Just
gray sweater.
Nice and soft. And then I got this lavender one, which is a different texture, but it was super soft and plushy, and I don't really have any sweaters this color, so grabbed that. Come back to Target, but we went to Yankee Candle also. This is my favorite candle for Christmas time ever. It's been my favorite for years, so I grabbed one of those. I grabbed this one in, what were you called? Peppermint Pinwheels. It smells like mint chocolate and it's amazing. This one just smells like spicy Christmas. I don't know how to explain it. It just smells spicy and gingerbready, and it's so good. This one is Christmas cookies. It literally smells like you're eating vanilla cake batter. It's really yummy. And then red apple wreath. It's kind of spicy and very appley, and it's really nice and fresh. So grabbed those. And then last we went to Target. I got a bunch of Christmas candy. We don't know what these are. We've never had them, but Zane was interested. He got more socks. We got these for the babies. They're like little leg warmers. I think they're all gonna hate them, but I'll be darned if I don't try it on all of them. And if they end up loving them, I will buy 5 pairs of them. I got a couple ornaments for my upstairs Christmas tree, my colorful one in my beauty room. I thought they were silly and chaotic.
It's 2 different colors of blue.
Yeah, and this is 2 different colors of pink. It's like dark on the top and light on the bottom. I found this cute little kitty. It's not really a Christmas mug, but kind of. Like it was in the Christmas mug section, but it's cute. I mean, I guess it's Christmassy with the colors, the red and the green. Yeah. But it's adorable. We got this expansion of Villainous because we don't have this one yet, and this one was specifically a Black Friday deal. That might have been the only Black Friday deal out of the Target stuff we got. And then we got the Manu Cat Scratcher. Like a little UPS truck, basically. Super cute, but I'm gonna put this stuff away. I'm gonna test these guys out, and we'll see how the cats like them. Got our first victim. Get out of his way. Felix. Do you hate him?
He's stomping. He's shaking.
Oh, buddy. That's so funny. All right, you can go release him and we'll try another cat. I'd say Edalyn also hates them. They're also a little too big for her. She just flung it off. Oh, she got him off. She said, never do that to me again. Absol, you don't seem to hate it. Do you think?
Says I can't move my arms.
Your little feet look funny. You're too puffy for those leggings. Where are you going, buddy?
He's shaking.
Well, you don't hate them the most. Like, I don't think he loves it, but he doesn't seem as bothered as Edalyn and Felix seemed. Right, buddy? Do you like him? He's walking fairly normal. Absol. You look so silly. You look so silly with your Christmas leggings. With your Santa pants. Look at his Santa pants. Update, it's been like 5 minutes and Absol truly doesn't seem bothered by his Santa pants. What do you think? Is it not so horrible? All right. I think I'll just continue to let him wear his Santa pants until he's sick of them. And I don't think I'm gonna even bother with Leela or Kanade because I can just know they're gonna hate it because they don't like sweaters, they don't like anything like that. Felix does like sweaters actually. We just haven't gotten him a sweater in a hot minute. But seems like Absol doesn't hate the Santa pants, so $3 went towards something fun. I'm gonna see the new Knives Out with Zane's parents in like an hour and a half, so I think in that time I'm just gonna do a little bit of work, do a little bit of editing, then we'll go to the movies and I'll let you know how it is later. We're back from seeing the movie and Absol took his Santa's pants off and I found one of them. It was fun while it lasted. It was good. I Liked watching it. The cats are getting fed, by the way. They're going nuts. You want to see? Edel like jungle gyms. Look at her. Look at her climbing. She climbs up there. I'll show you Kanade. Kanade does these little twirls. You excited? You excited for dinner? Here you go, babies. And then Leela eats over here. It was good though, very different from the other Knives Out. I feel like Glass Onion's definitely like goofier and just a totally different style of murder mystery.
Yeah.
But we really liked it.
The story was told in a little bit of a different order than in Knives Out, but still reveals, still fun, like really good.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it.
I think it's a fun series. Like I hope they do more, honestly, because I feel like they could totally keep going with this Detective Blanc kind of series. So
the cast in this one was also great.
Yeah.
Like, I love this idea. I could see them doing it more where they get a group of you know, fun combo of actors and actresses and then throw them in with Benoit and he figures it out. I enjoy it a lot.
It's good. I know we're late to the train watching Knives Out, but if you also haven't seen it yet, you should watch it and then watch the new one.
Yep. And
because they're quite fun to watch.
Don't look anything up about them. They are mystery movies. So the less you know, the better. But I will say I may have read a spoiler about Knives Out way many years ago, and even reading that, watching it, still didn't know what the heck was going on until the end, so that was nice.
We're gonna make some Thanksgiving leftovers now and then hopefully binge watch the rest of Wednesday. We've seen 3 out of 8 episodes. I think there's 8 total. Hope to watch the next 5 right now, but we'll see how long I last until I'm ready for bed. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to St. Augustine for the day. So I'll take you along for that as well. Hello and good morning. It is Saturday. I just got done filming this little look with the water palette from the Melt Palettes. Finally done filming all 4 looks for that video. So I'm gonna be working on that soon, which I'm fairly certain that video will be beyond uploaded by the time this video goes up. Yeah, like a couple days before this vlog goes up, it'll already be up. But we're gonna go to St. Augustine today with Zane's parents. We were just gonna go by ourselves, but we ended up inviting them to join us. So we're gonna head over to their place probably in about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna hit the road and go. I will vlog it, but it's probably more so gonna be just like, I'll be taking clips throughout the day with music overlaying it because I do wanna just like enjoy the day with my family and not worry about like whipping out a camera and talking to a camera. But I do wanna take you along, show you the Christmas lights and the good snacks we get into and stuff like that. I'm really excited. I don't know if I've ever been to St. Augustine with Zane's parents before. If I have, it was like very beginning of our relationship, which we've been together like 9.5 years, so it's hard to remember every little moment, but I don't know if I've ever been to St. Augustine with his parents before. Who knows, maybe Zane will remember. But we're gonna do that, and then I guess we'll just come back home. We did finish Wednesday last night. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Highly, highly, highly recommend. I was so engulfed in that show, like from the first moment. Jenna Ortega does such a good job playing Wednesday. I was obsessed with it. I want a season 2 already so bad. It was absolutely wonderful, and I'm just so glad it exists now. But yeah, I'm gonna finish cleaning up my mess that I made. Maybe input the footage that I filmed into my computer, and then we're gonna hit the road. Hi friends, it's a new day. I did film this look this morning. I filmed it for Instagram and TikTok. I didn't vlog it all yesterday just because my Sunday was spent doing a ton of decluttering. I filmed for like 5 hours on some declutters, so worked on that, and today I have a ton of editing to do. Zane's working from home. The babies are enjoying the porch. Look at all them. Kanada's being all curly. I have a baked potato in the oven and it's not done yet. So in the meantime, thought we could do our little Meowbox unboxing this time. Babies! Babies! You so excited? Kanada literally couldn't care less. Are you so excited? 90s Meowstalgia. Oh my gosh, Kanada just jumped on the box. We got like a Friends themed box. I mean, not Friends themed, but that's like what this reminds me of with the... This is definitely Friends. Like, that's what this cover is. Like, it has to be. With the guitar and the couch and the coffee shop. That's really cute. They got everybody's names. We got some treats. Holy fish. We got a Go-Gurt. Felix loves these little cat Go-Gurts. He thinks they're so good. I'll show you later because it's disgusting. What do we have here?
Lava lamp.
That's cute. Love for lamp. Babies, lava lamp. Oh, Absol already loves it.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh, he already loves it. What's this one? It's a big phone.
Meow Kia cell phone.
That's so funny. It's even glittery like old school stuff.
It's sturdy.
What do you guys think?
Hey.
Game
it's Buddy.
A Game Boy.
It's crinkly. They're gonna love this.
Oh yeah. Absol, that's your favorite. He's obsessed with that lava lamp right now.
All right. Well, we can't.
Kanade is obsessed
can we take
with the
this
box.
away from Kanade?
She's into it.
Oh, it's a ring.
Aww. That's so funny.
All right. All right.
Absol loves his lava lamp.
He loves that one.
Kanade loves the box. Felix is ready for a treat. Oh my goodness.
It's a tuna treat. You'll love this.
I'd like to say that they like this box.
He just bit my finger.
He got too excited. Oh my goodness. You guys are nuts.
Here, Absol.
Absol. Oh, Felix took your treat. This is like Mardi Gras, but for treats.
Kanade licks it. Oh, there she goes. Wait, she dropped it. Felix, don't steal.
Oh.
You're crazy. You're crazy. Oh my God.
Can
You just stole Kanade's treat. It was covered in her slobber.
Felix, do you want some cat Go-Gurt? Felix. Oh my gosh. Felix, that is aggressive. Ew, it smells so bad.
He tries to bite it. And
Ew, I want nothing to do with that. That is making me want to vomit. That smells awful. Okay, let Edelin try. Is it?
I just got growled at.
Oh my god. That smells so bad. Oh, it's so gross. What do you think? She likes it in a more gentle way.
Yes, this is what you're supposed to do, Felix.
Gentle.
Here, Absol's interested.
He doesn't usually like the cat
he
Go-Gurts.
doesn't.
You want to try it, Kanade? Ow! He just came up and bit my finger!
Yeah, he's a little
He is
dinosaur.
not usually a biter!
Thinks he got food.
You freak! It's gentle. It's gentle, Felix. It's gentle. Is Kanade into it at all?
Don't think so.
No, she's like, get that thing away from
holding
me.
it out, but only Edelin's wanted it.
What do you think? You like this box, Felix? This might be your favorite box you've ever had. What about you, Kanade?
I think they all like
You seem to like it too. Edelin seems pretty happy.
because they both like the treats too.
You pretty happy, Weeds? Oh, Absol's got his
He got the
crinkle
Game
going.
Boy.
Oh,
I snatched.
snatched. What a good baby. Well, I think I'm gonna call this vlog here so I can work on editing it because it'll go up in a couple days. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave some cat-related emojis since we finished it off with a bang. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I'm battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting every single day in December. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.